The trend is your friend is one of the most popular sayings in trading, and for a good reason. Understanding trends is crucial for success. And while there are thousands of popular indicators designed to help with this, in today's episode I'm going to introduce you to a new and innovative tool that will blow your mind, the radius trend. I will walk you through how this indicator works and test it across more than 3,000 trades. Stick around until the end because the results were amazing. For those who don't know me, my name is ATP and let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to give a quick shout out to my subscriber Marek for suggesting this indicator. If it wasn't for him, I would have never discovered this fantastic tool. So a big thank you, Marek. If any of you also want to share an indicator for me to test in a future video, feel free to drop it in the comments or in my free Discord community. The link is in the description. Now let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First click on Indicators, then type Radius Trend and you will find this option by Chart Prime that you can use for free. By definition, the Radius Trend is an innovative tool designed to help traders visualize trends in a more dynamic way. Instead of using traditional moving averages, it adjusts its trend bands based on price movement and volatility. It highlights the direction and strength of trends with red and blue colors, and at the same time, it signals potential entry points. When this band changes direction from below to above the price, it signals a sell position, and when the opposite is true, it can be a good time to enter a buy or long position. This unique approach provides a flexible and adaptive method to analyze market conditions across any time frame. By default, it uses a radius step of 0.15 and a distance of 2 points, but for today's analysis, I will change this value to 0.12. because after some testing, I believe it works better. But of course, to discover if the radius trend is really efficient, we'll need to backtest it. To do this, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding the technical system, in addition to the radius trend, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below this baseline. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. And regarding the testing conditions, we'll backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. And in short, these are our conditions. Now we just need to backtest this system. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of indicators and strategies quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of over 70 indicators and ongoing additions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 150 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, click on the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the radius trend with entry trigger function, the 200 period EMA for baseline, and the right risk management rules, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts with a respective stop loss and take profit, and it is quite precise as you can see. Besides that, it also provides the monthly results here in this table and the overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. and since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals. I will speed up this part of the video, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I will see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 3,300 trades across the 3 different timeframes, and the results were well above the average. In the 30-minute timeframe, after more than 1,640 trades, the radius trend got a win rate close to 52% with a net profit of 128%. Here we've got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset. Below we have the final equity curve, which despite some drawdown moments has an increasing trend. In this time frame it's one of the best equity charts we have seen so far in this series. Next, in the 1 hour time frame, after more than 1,600 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate close to 54% and a wonderful net profit of 256%. Here you can find other important metrics where I would like to draw your attention to the drawdowns, which were very low when compared to the net profit. As expected, the results from every asset are robust and the equity chart is highly consistent. If you would love to have an equity chart like this one in your live trading account, give this video a thumbs up. And finally, in the daily time frame, after 69 trades, the indicator achieved decent results as well. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple time frames and assets, it is clear that the radius trend is an indicator with a lot of potential that can work in every time frame and market. Keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. In our ranking sheet, after taking into account all the results and the average of the win rates, I believe the radius trend will easily get the second place, which is an amazing spot on this list. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. I remind you that you can access this document through the first comment down below. On this first page, you will find this table with the ranking of the indicators tested in this series, and on this other page, you will find the results of some of the strategies we have already tested on the channel. Also, if you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. By the way, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, AlgoTradePro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.